Hello students, today we'll take with another poem, figure of speech, poem number 4, that is poem number 3 in your textbook. Okay, that is Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda. Okay, I hope the poem was very clear in the earlier video. So on the basis of that explanation only we are going to do the figure of speech. Okay, now along with me, you all also do the brainstorming as to which figure of speech will apply in which line. Okay. Check the new line, page number 95. Okay. See the first line. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. Okay, so we will, it's repeated again. So it is repetition. The words we will are repeated in the sentence for the poetic effect. Okay, alliteration. Why alliteration? The W sound for we and will is repeated. Okay, the sounds of the consonant W is repeated. Metonymy, count to 12. Okay, and keep still. It is representing the patience. Okay, here they are not telling it to be silent, be calm, but what they are telling, count to 12 and keep still. So these two words, it represents the patience. Come to on the next line. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Okay, so let's not. The negation word is used to convey the positive meaning that we should keep quiet and not speak. So litotes, Litotes. Okay, personification. Why personification? The inanimate earth, okay, is personified as though it has a face. The face of the earth is mentioned in the line. How can the earth has a face? Okay, so it is personification. Okay, come to the next line. Let's not stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. So arms, it stands for the people. Synagogue, the part of the body arm, it is standing for the whole people. Synagogue. Poon. Now Pun, poon, figure of speech. Okay, coming first time poon in our syllabus 12th of 12th standard. Okay, what's now? What is poon? The word arm, it denotes the two meaning. A part of the body also, and it is a defense ammunition also. Okay, so the arms, their arm, it is used by a poet as a bodily part, and the other it is used for a defense mechanism also. So it is spoon. Litotes. Why litotes? That not move our arms. The negation word is used to convey the positive meaning that we should keep still. And alliteration. Why alliteration? M sound, move and much. The sound of the consonant M is repeated for the words move and much, so alliteration. Okay. Come to the next line. It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. Okay, so repetition without word is used. Metonymy, without rush, it is representing people, and without engines, it representing machines. So we here nowhere in the poem people and machines are mentioned, but without rush and without engines, it clearly represents that without people and without machines. So therefore it is metonymy. I hope by now metonymy and metaphor is clearly understood. In metaphor, when you are doing indirect comparison, that indirect part, the which you are comparing, it will be existing in the poem. But in metonymy, with whom you are comparing, it will not be seen, but it will give you a hint that it is existing in the poem. So it is metonymy. Okay. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Okay, so alliteration, W sound, V and would as repeated. Internal rhyme, V and B. These are having the similar rhyming words. Okay, so internal rhyme. Come to the next line. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. Litotes, would not is mentioned. The negation is used to convey the positive meaning that the fishermen would save the whales. And alliteration, W sound for the words wood and whales. Okay, come to the next line. And the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Hand, again synagogue, the part of the body hand, it's standing for the man who is gathering the salt. Okay, and alliteration, the sound of the consonant H is repeated for the words hurt, his and hands for the poetic effect. Three words are there. Hurt, his and hands. Okay. Come to the next line. Those who prepare green wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. So the entire line is taken as one sentence. Now identify the figure of speech. Very easy. Litotes, because nothing is mentioned, no is mentioned to convey the positive meaning that all are dead. Internal rhyme, doing and nothing are used for the poetic effect. Okay, doing ing, nothing ing, that are rhyming words. Irony, the meaning victory with no survivors, it denotes the opposite meaning, that is actually a defeat. Okay, that means nobody has left after the war. So it is irony. Repetition, the was and with they are repeated again and again for the poetic effect. Alliteration, the sound for the consonant W is repeated for the words wars, with, would and walk. 4 words are there: wars, with, would and walk. And the sound of CL, that is clean and clothes, are repeated. So alliteration. Okay. Now we'll come to the next line. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Okay, inactivity, it represents the death, metonymy. Litotes, the negation is used to convey the positive meaning that there will be an action. Okay, now and then one more is there. Alliteration, the sound of the consonant W is repeated for the words what, want. Okay, and with. Okay, life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. Antithesis, life and death, they are used in the same sentence for the poetic effect. So antithesis. Come to the next. What I want, sorry, if we are not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving, and for once could do nothing. Okay, so till nothing mark the sentence. Internal rhyme, moving and nothing are used for the rhyming effect or the poetic effect, ing. So internal rhyme. Alliteration, W is repeated for the words we and were, and S is repeated for the words so and single-minded. Okay, so 2 figure of speech. Come to the next line. Perhaps a huge silence might interrupt the sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. So litotes, why? Negation is used to convey the positive meaning that too much of inactivity, it may result into death. Okay. First of all, inactivity doesn't say that do not do anything. It means to say that please do not harm environment, do not hurt anyone. Okay. Do not do such actions which are causing harm to others. So that is inactivity. So negation, that it is not, it may result into death. Internal rhyme, understanding and threatening are used in the sentence. Personification, silence is given the human quality of interrupting. Okay, here it is said the silence is, it might interrupt. So it is personification. How can the silence interrupt? So it is personification. Perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Dead and alive, opposite words, so antithesis. Personification, inanimate earth is given the human quality of teaching. How can the earth teach us? It is not a human thing, right? We get the values, but it is not a human to say teaching. So personification. Check the last line. Now I will count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. Repetition, I will is used for the poetic effect. Metonymy, the words keep quiet, it represents the introspection. That means we need to keep quiet. We should check ourselves that whether we are following the things which are told to us. So metonymy, the words keep quiet, it is representing the introspection. So I hope each and every line, figure of speech is very clear. Start preparing the notes of all the poems wherein we have done the figure of speech. It is very important. Clear? Thank you.